In this video, I'm going to show you how to show full web page URLs in the address bar of the Opera browser. This is a quick but really useful change if you want to see the complete website address instead of a shortened version. It can help with checking links, verifying pages, and making browsing a little more transparent. If this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Opera and look to the very top left corner of the browser window. You'll see the Opera O logo. Click that logo to open the main menu. From the drop-down menu, scroll down near the bottom and click Settings. This will take you into Opera's settings page, where you can change browser preferences and appearance options. Once the settings page is open, go to the search settings box in the very top right corner of the window. This search box makes it easy to find a specific setting without having to dig through every menu manually. Click inside the box and type the word URL. As soon as you do that, Opera will immediately filter the available options and show only the settings related to URLs. Now look under the highlighted results until you find the option that says Show Full URL in Combined Search and Address Bar. This is the setting that controls whether Opera displays the complete web address in the address bar. All you need to do is toggle it on. Once it's enabled, Opera will start showing the full web page URL instead of hiding part of it. And that's it. You've now turned on full URL display in Opera's address bar. It only takes a few seconds, but it can be really helpful if you want more visibility while browsing. If this video helped, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Opera tips, browser tricks, and easy how-to tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.